Okay, so this is the update. No, not update. What's up, queens? We are in Del Taco drive-thru, but what's new? Always. No. Just kidding. And we're on the way to Jasmine's house because, bitch, we gonna hang out today, queen. I'm so excited. So yeah, we're getting our food right now. It's gonna be lit. I got a steak and egg burrito. Fuckers. Wait, did you give me iced coffee? Please.
Yes.
Because I'm not the same without coffee. Actually, that's not true. Oh my god.
Open that.
Oh. I was up at 7 this morning. I got up. Well, no, it was mostly 7:30. I got up at 7:30. I said hi to Mom. She went in her office. I went back in my room and watched a 30-minute mukbang video. And yeah. And then I got in the shower. And, yeah.
Do you think anybody wants to know that?
Yes, they do. They want to know everything about my life. Okay, we're getting our food right now. Tuco night. Holy shit. I didn't want that guy to see I was filming him.
Oh, I got the green. I got the green bag.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Slay queen.
I got the green bag. Yay.
Ew.
I know.
Good morning. Oh, never mind.
Oh, my little tiny Sprite.
Oh, my fucking dandruff is acting up. And I'm wearing a black shirt. Oh, OOTD. Burlington.
You want any hot sauce? Sprite?
No.
No.
So this is my OOTD. We're wearing this shirt that's really shitty and I got it from Burlington. Washed it one time. It's already shrinking.
Here.
Got my pants. Also from Burlington.
Scott, while you're there,
And
while you're at the mall, buy your shirt. There you go, hash brown there, please.
And then I also got some pussy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Love
too.
you. Bye. That's the update. This is our food. Shit.
Look at my gnome bag. Take the
Oh
gnome
my
bag.
god, look at her gnome bag.
No, take the gnome bag out.
Oh.
It's inside.
Oh my god, you got a little fucking purse.
A gnome bag. The lunch bag.
Oh my god, that's so fucking cute.
Let me see the front.
Oh wow, look at that. I want to
Yeah,
show
they're in a
them.
phone booth.
Wait, I want to show them.
So cute.
Louis Vuitton is quaking. That's so cute. Oh, you could... This bag belongs to... Oh my god, you can put your name on there.
Oh, I'm so going to.
Yes. Okay.
I
We're
think
gonna
we
get...
should do it.
Okay, I'm gonna put on the butt baggles. That's the update. I'm gonna feed and update you dildos later.
Oh,
Bye.
God, look at the sketchy ass road.
We're literally just at the Victoria Gardens. Say hello. We got vape balls. Oh my god. I got that bubbly. Oh my god.
You stabbed it all the way.
She stabbed it. You get a lot for your money. I'm always looking for a fucking bargain. It's not getting in. Oh my fucking god. How many times did he say to fuck? Got the fucking cloud blower 2.9. So, new video, obviously. It's gonna be a mukbang, a mukbang, a mukbag, a duke souk, of Baker's fries. It's okay. Um, they're kind of dry. Oh, I have my tea. Swatch it clean. Oh my god, swatch it clean. Swatch it clean. Wait, you want some ASMR? Wait, here we go. I don't really know what to film. This, I just got this at the dollar store. Actually, the Dollar General. We're moving up in the world, Queen. Actually, no. I love the Dollar Tree better than the Dollar General and Family Dollar because, well, for one, everything there is $1 at the Dollar Tree, and, well, you know, that's the one reason, Queens. But I did get this at the Dollar General. It was an actual dollar. Surprising. It's one of them squishies, right? Oh wait, am I gonna be one of them channels where like, I don't know, play with toys? No. Sorry, I have gas. What's new? No. I don't know what the fuck it's supposed to be. I have no fucking clue. It smells really fucking bad though. I'm guessing it's like some alien like bread piece or something because it's green, or like like a moldy bread piece with like some fucking shit on there. Yeah, moldy alien bread piece. Okay. God, my knee is itching. I got stung by a bee yesterday or the other day now, and I don't know if it fully stung me, hoes, but it stung me. Like I felt it like sting me, but like right away like flicked it off my knee, and like it's like hurting. It's like itching really bad, and there's a little bump. Oh no, now I'm feeling it right now. It's kind of gone down, but it's still itching. So I don't know if it broke the stinger off or not. I hope not because there's a stinger in me right now. But oh, okay, here. So like here's the fries, greasy as fuck. It says, drug use is life and abuse. No, drug use is life abuse. Their food hurts my teeth. Like, I got a burger, and it hurt my teeth. You know, it was like, you know, it hurt. I don't know. I like them. I don't like their food. I don't know what I'm doing. I like their food, but I don't like, wait, no, I don't like their food as much. It's like a 5. But they have green tea. And a lot of restaurants don't. Like fast food restaurants. And so I'm like, yes, queen. Right? And, wait, I want to like try to reflect the sun. Or the, oh, look, I'm doing it. Oh my god. It's not the sun, it's my light. Oh my god, I'm literally doing it. Bill Nye the Science fucking guy. Let's see how many things I can fit in my mouth. I mean, not that type of video. Let's see how many fries I can fit in my mouth. Oh. Let me finish this one. Alright, let's just do like a, well, I want to gag. Oh my god, this is fucking gross. Ew. Oh fuck. Oh, I couldn't do it. That was too much. That was like, I don't know, I didn't count. This is kind of like a fucking, failed video. I might put this with, the other video that I filmed the other day with, Jasmine. What's up, ho? I hope your mouth is doing okay. She got tooth restractions. She got some tooth fucking peeled, or pulled, okay? And she's not doing that good right now. She wasn't at school. So I hope you're okay. I hope you're feeling okay. Put ice on it. Smoke a lot of weed. No, I'm just kidding. See, I was like, smoke a lot of weed, and then I'm like, no, JK, not really. Yeah, so I might put that one with that one, because we were hanging out the other day, and, we went to the movies, and, walked around the mall after. Fucking lit. I was gonna show you what I got, but I'll put a picture in it, or a little video, because it does something. It's lit. It's lit. I'm just kidding. And, yeah, we seen A Quiet Place. Oh my god. It was a fucking good movie. There's gonna be a part 2, obviously. So we're definitely gonna go see that together. It was sad. There's one part in there that will make you cry. But that was my video. So, hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, then like it. If you didn't like it, then still like it. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Shit, it won't turn off.
Bitch, you thought we were done with the motherfucking vlog. I'm so annoying. So, yeah, I did too. I thought we were done too. No, boo-boo. You thought. Bitch, you thought. No, we had to run down to AutoZone real quick because Dad needed something for his car to get it fixed. I don't know what the fuck it needed. EGR valve, I think. Yeah, that's what it was called. EGR valve. So we're trying to find that right now. Sorry if you're literally not seeing anything right now. I'm putting food in my purse. But what's new? God, she is fucking beat. Ew. I don't know what to record. Oh my god. I got these today. They're, pretty fucking nasty. Don't recommend. Bought them at Burlington. Because we were buying clothes and they have food. Like, bitch, stop trying to be Walmart with your fucking clothes food duo, bitch. Oh my god, I just hit myself in the nut. Sorry. Gross. Oh my god, I just picked my nose. That looked like my cousin. That was scary. Because he doesn't even live in this town. And he's the one that we disowned. This bitch is looking at me like I'm a crazy ass queen. Bitch, I am. I ate so much food today. It's fucking gross. I hope you didn't hear that. You want to see AutoZone and my foot? That's my foot. Oh my god, I almost dropped my iPad. That's my foot. That's AutoZone. It's really bright, but they're giving me life with their fucking backlights. So, like, yes, bitch. You can see my cystic acne up close. I should probably lock the doors. Sorry. Oh my god, what a queen! Yeah, I don't know what else to... Oh! Ah! Hold up. Get something out of my poos. Let me get my portable out of my bag. Pop the... Oh shit, Dad's almost back. Okay, oh wait, did he get it? I don't know! I'm recording. Do they have it?
Yeah, but he wanted $68.99 and he wouldn't budge.
How much was the other one?
$61.99.
Oh my god.
$7 cheaper.
Let's go get it.
It's probably even cheaper at Parts Authority, but I don't want to wait till tomorrow. I get this shit done. Got my car.
We're going backwards.
Not at the driver.
Mater is quaking.
At the driver Mustang over tomorrow.
But it's not registered either.
I know. And then it has the 2 instead of 3. So cops will be a little more lenient on me.
Well, that's a Jeep.
Not my little car.
No, that Jeep.
Oh.
We can't see anything, but it's okay. You don't want to see me. We're driving. We almost hit somebody because he was in the road.
Jaywalking.
But it's okay. Yeah, he was jaywalking, so he deserved it. Just kidding. We didn't hit him. That's a liquor store. That's a bakery. That's donuts, and that's pizza. That's a Taco Bell. I mean, tattoo place.
Why does the donut sound good?
Because it doesn't. Dad, I ate so much food today. I feel gross. So I got an elliptical for free. But we need to adjust the arms because it's just too short for my tall fucking ass. Okay. We're in the
Oh, really?
O'Reilly. Oh God.
Oh, wait, man.
Dad, you can't be saying that shit on my vlog. Turn off the lights. Okay, he's left. We can fucking put music on now. Shut the fuck up. Sorry. I have to Bluetooth his shit before he gets back. Fuck. You know, I hate this new update with Apple where when you're driving, even when you're not driving, but you have your phone with you, you have to be like, I'm not driving until you could use your phone. My Bluetooth speaker. Until you can use your phone, you have to like press the button once to be like, I'm not driving. I'm like, bitch, but I'm actually not driving. Like, I'm a passenger, honey. Because I don't have my license yet. Oh my God. I'm really hyper right now and I don't know actually why. Can you fucking pair? Oh my God. I think it paired to the fucking Bluetooth. No, I think it paired to my iPad. Hold on. It paired to my iPad. I'm locking my doors. Do you hear that? It sounds like a G-Wagon or something. I don't know. It just sounds cool. So we'll pop some pussies on the ground. I heard this song in Morphe the other day. It's on my... I thought it was. Can you sit right here? Oh God, no. Every time I put you on the dashboard, I look fat AF. Ooh, this is actually kind of cute. Here it is. I got it for free from Dad. I don't like this part! I like this part. I'm so fucking gross. Okay, I'm done with that song. Oh my God, this is my phone. Have you seen my new phone case, you cunts? Oh, I hate this song. It's a commercial for a Samsung phone. This is the song name. Oh my God, and my phone's going so slow right now that I cannot fast forward. Oh, I can. Never mind, I lied. Here comes the beat drop! You guys must think I'm on drugs, but I'm not, don't worry. He was weird looking. Can you hear me? I hope you can hear me! I'm just waiting for the beat to drop. Oh my God, it just... What the hell? Oh, I paused my phone. What the hell? Oh my God, there's a Miata. Look at it. It's like the basic bitch mobile. Every car YouTuber has one. I don't like them because everybody has one. Oh God, it's parking right next to me. Oh, let's see who's driving it. Oh my God, it's some old fucking man. Oh my God. It looks like somebody I used to know. I like the pop-up headlights. I'm not going to lie, actually. Those are kind of cute. Okay, I'm kind of done with the song, bitch. Oh my God. New favorite song. Hold up. Is it not loading? You fucking whore. Come on, turn, you fucking bitch. This is it. You can see it, okay? It's non-copyright sounds. Weird Dreams. Just put in Weird Dreams song You'll find it. Is this guy getting out of his car? He probably can't because he's so old. And it's so small. Oh my god, here it comes. Here comes the fucking beat drop, bitch. Sorry, I'm like cussing a lot. I don't know why. Oh shit. That guy probably is gonna think I'm gonna like record him. I'm not recording you. You're stupid. Oh, here comes Dad. He got something. Hi.
Right one.
Right one.
Yeah.
I'm recording still. I'm doing a fucking... Oh my god, you're on the vlog!
I got you
What?
a paper towel to do your window.
Okay.
Window when you're home. I'll show you how.
Okay. So we're going home now.
Ooh, what's that smell? You fired?
No. Kermit though. I don't know when to record though. I'm just gonna keep recording because I always not record, but shit happens and like fun stuff after I'm like done recording. Okay, shut the fuck up, phone. Oh my god, the Country Junction. The Country Junction. No, I didn't like it. It was not good. It was okay. Actually, it was fine. I'm not gonna lie. We're on Palm Street. Palm and 6. I'll record when we're home.